Hello, welcome back, design enthusiasts. Today we are exploring the world of modern elevated home decor where sleekness and sophistication take center stage. If you are a fan of cleanliness, minimalist aesthetics, and a touch of luxury, this video is tailored just for you. We will be delving into the innovative ideas that will transform your living spaces into a stylish heaven that exude contemporary elegance. So let's dive in and get inspired to elevate our homes to new heights. Modern elevated home decor embraces simplicity, starting with color palettes that are clean, calming, and minimal. Think neutral tones such as whites, gray, and earthy hues as the foundation of your design canvas. These colors provide a serene backdrop that allows your furniture, artwork, and decor pieces to shine and create a cohesive, sophisticated look. In a modern elevated home, furniture takes the center stage as statement pieces. Invest in high quality furniture with sleek lines and interesting shapes. Look for pieces that combine form and function, such as sculptural chairs, contemporary sofas, and uniquely designed coffee tables. Remember, it's all about quality over quantity. So opt for a few standout pieces that will make a lasting impression. Artwork can make or break a modern elevated space. Choose large scale, bold pieces that add drama and personality to your walls. Abstract paints, black and white photography, or even carefully created gallery walls can elevate your interior to a whole new level of sophistication. Don't be afraid to mix and match different styles as long as they complement the overall aesthetic. Lighting is a crucial aspect of modern elevated home decor. Embrace minimalist light fixtures that are both functional and stylish as well. Consider pendant lights with clean lines, floor lamps with sleek silhouettes, and recessed lighting for a seamless and uncluttered look. Well placed lighting can create a warm and inviting ambience, enhancing the overall modern feel of your home. To add the warmth and texture to your modern elevated decor, incorporate natural materials, wood, stone, and metal elements can bring a touch of nature indoors while maintaining the contemporary vibe. Consider adding a wood accent wall, marble countertops, or brass hardware to infuse your space with elegance and a connection to the outdoors. Clutter is the enemy of modern elevated home decor. Invest in streamlined storage solutions to keep your space organized and visually pleasing. Built in cabinets, floating shelves, and hidden storage compartments will maintain the sleekness of your interior while providing the ample space for stowing away the items out of sight. Add a sense of luxury to your modern elevate space with the right choice of textiles, soft plush rugs, velvet throw pillows, and highly quality linen drapes can instantly elevate the coziness and style of your rooms. Be mindful of textures and choose the materials that are not only visually appealing but also inviting to the touch. A hallmark of modern elevated home decor is an open concept layout. Knock down unnecessary walls to create an airy and spacious feel throughout your living area. This design approach not only improves the flow of natural light but also fosters a sense of connectivity among family members and guests. An open floor plan allows you to showcase your carefully selected furniture and decor, creating an harmonious and visually appealing space. The kitchen and the bathrooms are the essential areas to focus on elevating your home's interior. In the kitchen, opt for sleek contemporary cabinetry with handleless designs to maintain a clean and seamless look. Consider high-end appliances with minimalist finishes for added sophistication. For the bathrooms, invest in luxurious fixtures such as rainfall shower head, modern freestanding tubs, and wall-mounted vanities. These touches will create a spa-like ambience that complements the rest of your modern decor. Modern elevated home decor isn't just about aesthetics, it's all about embracing technological advancements as well. Consider integrating smart home features such as automated lighting, climate control, and voice activated assistants. Not only do these technology enhance convenience and efficiency, but they also add a futuristic and cutting edge element to your home. To truly elevate your modern decor, consider incorporating sustainable design elements. Choose eco-friendly materials like reclaimed wood, recycled glass, and low VOC paints. Invest in energy efficient appliances and lighting to reduce your home's carbon footprints. Embracing sustainability not only benefits the environment but also aligns with the minimalist and conscious ethos of modern elevated home decor. Blur lines between the indoor and outdoor spaces by creating a seamless transition. Large glass sliding doors or expensive windows that open onto your patio or garden will create a sense of continuity and expand your living area. Incorporate outdoor furniture that complements your indoor decor, such as weather resistant loungers and the dining sets. This integration with nature enhances the modern aesthetics and bring a sense of tranquility to your home. Incorporate geometric patterns and textures to add visual interest to your modern elevated home decor. Use geometric wallpaper areas, rugs, or throw pillows to introduce subtle accents. Additionally, consider incorporating textured materials like fox fur, knit fibers, or woven wall hangings to add depth and warmth to your interiors. Creating a modern elevated home decor is not just about what you add but also what you leave out. Embrace negative space and avoid overcrowding your rooms. Let your furniture breathe and maintain a sense of openness. Thoughtful arrangement of your decor pieces will draw attention to the key focal points of your rooms, making even more. Modern elevated home decor is a captivating fusion of simplicity, sophistication, and innovation. By focusing on cleanliness, minimalistic color palettes, and highly quality materials with cutting edge technologies, you can transform your living space into modern sanctuaries that reflect your style and values. Don't forget to embrace sustainability and incorporate elements that connect you with nature. So go ahead and take on this design journey one step at a time to elevate your home to new heights, contemporary elegance. Thanks for tuning in today, and we will catch you in the next video with more inspiring ideas. At the last, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.